I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good.
Okay, in the previous video I have built in HTML and CSS already done, and now we're going to implement with the JavaScript to generating the random password. And right now I'm going to create a new file for the JavaScript file and implement with it. Start from this beginning of JavaScript, we will get those elements with the ID, which we have a input text box, the slide, we can slide left and right to get the length of the password that we want. And we also have the settings for the checkboxes, like we can apply the lowercase, or we want only the symbols with the uppercase. It means that like we combination with those passwords to get the strong password, and we can click the generate button to get those passwords, and then we can copy those passwords by clicking the icon copy in the text box. And this one we are working with the copy button, which we're going to copy the value inside the text box. And there I also add the animate button, animate the icon. If we already click the copy button, and then it's gonna be show the text icon. After the 1.5 seconds, it's gonna be show the icon back. That's why we use a set timeout here. As in UI, we have password setting with the uppercase, lowercase, number, and the symbols. So we're going to create separately function to return those random string back. From checkcode built-in function, we get the integer value, and then it's gonna be returned as the string randomly by the value that we pass it. The value is based on the ASCII code table. And you guys can see here the lowercase is start from 97 in ASCII code table. That's why we plus 97 in here, and we multiply by the 26 because of the character in English is 26 alphabets. And at the same things in uppercase, you can see there it start from 65 and we multiply by the 26 as well. And then you can looking for the number, it's doing the same, but for the multiply we're going to change as 10 because we only have 10 number from 0 to 9. For symbols we cannot do that because the symbol is located in different location, so we cannot do that. So I decided to create our own way by putting those symbols in the string, and then we're going to select it by the character index. For the type array, we're going to filter the object which one is true, which means that if they check on the UI is true, we're going to return as array.